Hi, this is Lisa from Cosmetic Enhancement. Viveve is a procedure for female rejuvenation. It's one of several procedures offered here at Cosmetic Enhancement. The procedure involves using radiofrequency energy, which both cools the surface of the skin, but delivering thermal heat to the deeper layers, which allows collagen restoration. The procedure is intended to treat stress incontinence, decreased vaginal lubrication, and laxity. It's a quick procedure, not painful, can be completed in 60 to 90 minutes. If you're someone who experiences these problems, come see us for a free consultation at Cosmetic Enhancement.